Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. We are now entering the architectural heart of South Beach as we walk through Lummus Park. Stretching from 5th to 15th Street, this 10-block urban park is the world-famous front yard of Ocean Drive. Lummus Park is where the natural beauty of the Atlantic meets the manicured glamour of the Art Deco District. As you stroll along the winding, palm-filled paths, you're surrounded by the classic image of Miami. Bright neon signs, historic hotels, and the iconic canopy of tropical greenery that provides a much-needed respite from the Florida sun. Our first major landmark is the Miami Beach Patrol Headquarters. This building is a stunning example of the Nautical Moderne style that is so prevalent in this area. Built in the late 1930s, it looks less like a municipal building and more like a sleek, grounded ocean liner, complete with rounded corners, porthole-style windows, and clean horizontal lines. It serves as a nerve center for the city's lifeguards and ocean safety teams, providing that in Miami Beach, even the most functional city services are housed in works of art. Just a short distance away, we reach the Art Deco Welcome Center, operated by the Miami Design Preservation League. This is arguably the most important stop for anyone wanting to understand the soul of the city. Back in the 1970s, many of the historic buildings we admire today were facing demolition. It was a dedicated group of activists led by Barbara Kapitzman who fought to establish this area as the first 20th century National Register Historic District. The Welcome Center stands as a monument to that victory. Inside, you learn about the three pillars of Miami Beach architecture: the whimsical Art Deco of the 30s, the streamlined Mediterranean revival, and the flamboyant Miami Modern or MIMO of the 50s. The center isn't just a museum, it's the gateway to the city's identity, offering tours and education that explain why these pastel-colored facades are so vital to the world's cultural heritage. As we walk through this section of Lummus Park, you realize that you aren't just in a park, you're in a living, breathing gallery of history. For Baz Travels, this is the essence of South Beach, a place where the preservation of the past creates the vibrant atmosphere of the present. It's the perfect vantage point to appreciate the visionaries who saved this magic city for future generations to enjoy.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.